Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study about correlation and simple regression analysis. So what is correlation and regression analysis? Correlation can be understood as the strength of association between two variables. It shows the dependence of two variables on each other. On the other hand, regression analysis is a statistical process that estimates the relationship among variables. It shows the dependability of one variable on the other variable. To understand the concept of correlation and regression analysis more clearly, let us look at an example. In this example, we are going to study the relationship between study time and the percentage of marks in the qualifying exam. So this is our data set. In the first column, we have the marks obtained by the student in the qualifying exam and the daily study hours of the student. So first, let us generate a scatter plot so that we can understand how these variables are related. We go to graph and we select the scatter plot. We select the simple scatter plot. We define the marks on the y-axis and study hours on the x-axis. So the graph shows that on an average the marks in the qualifying exam increases as the study hours increases. So this shows that there is a positive relationship between marks in the qualifying exam and study hours. Let us quantify this scatter plot so as to get a numerical value of the strength of association between these two variables. In order to do so, we will generate the correlation coefficient. We generate the bivariate correlation coefficient. Select both the variables. Okay, so the correlation coefficient between study hours and marks obtained in the qualifying examination indicate that the strength of relationship is 0.937. The magnitude of the correlation coefficient, which varies between -1 to 1, indicates how strong is the relationship between the variables, whereas the sign of the correlation coefficient indicates the direction of relationship between the variables. We can see that the correlation coefficient is very high, so the strength of association between the variables is very high, and we can see that the sign of the correlation coefficient is positive. So we can say that these variables are positively correlated, or if one variable increases, the other also increases. However, using the correlation coefficient, we cannot estimate the impact of one variable on another. We cannot tell how much the marks in qualifying examination will change if the study hours for a particular student increases by 1. In order to estimate the impact of one variable on another, we are going to look at the regression analysis. To perform the regression analysis, we click on Analyze and Regression. We select marks as the dependent variable and study hours as the independent variable. So these are the results from the regression analysis. The regression analysis indicates the impact on the dependent variable if there is any change in the predictor variables or the independent variables. So for this particular example, we can see that for every 1 hour change in the daily study hours, the marks of the students in the qualifying exam can be increased by 10.31%. So the regression analysis quantifies the impact of the independent variable on the dependent variable, whereas the correlations provides us just the strength of association between the two variables. However, it does not say anything about the impact of one variable on the other variable. I hope I was able to explain correlation and regression analysis in this video. If you have any comments about our video, please share your comments or feedback in the comment section. If you like our video, comment, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you.